In order to check the battery temperature on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you can use a third-party app that allows you to check that information. Unfortunately, there is no built-in option or menu where you can check the battery temperature, and this is why we need to, for example, search for phone temperature or battery temperature. I'm going to actually type battery temperature. There we go. And in here, as you can see, we can find a bunch of different apps that in theory should be able to allow you to check the temperature of the battery. So I'm gonna install this app over here as an example. However, feel free to try anything else in case you are wondering if other apps are better. Over here, we're gonna tap on agree and continue in order to start using the app. Alright, and now over here we should be able to find the information about the battery temperature. In my case, it is over here. As you can see, we can check the temperature in this place. At the top, you can also switch to the battery category in order to find the temperature in here as well. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.